Hello fish fam. So we're fishing right now and I'm at the pond in my neighborhood, and so far I've caught these two lovely bluegill. I don't know if you can see in there. One small one not so small one. And I'm about to cast my reel back in. Today what I'm using as bait is hot dog. So keeping it simple up in my house. Now I'm gonna bring you over to the fishing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick little toss in and watch. Within minutes I'm gonna have a bite and it's gonna be freaking awesome. So I don't know if you can see in the water my hot dog, but very soon bluegill come up and go swipe, and I'll be like, swipe or no swiping. Whoa. Okay, so it's getting like attacked here. Oh, come on, I need that bluegill to bite it. Oh, it's right in front. Oh, guys, fish on. Oh yeah, okay. We're just gonna reel it in here. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is no bluegill, everybody. This is a very nice bass. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but that is a very nice bass. Dang. Man, that looks pretty small from where you guys are standing, from where I am. Dang, what is that? That's like a largemouth bass. Everybody, give it up for this largemouth bass. Am I right? Okay, so this is a pretty nice largemouth bass. We're just gonna unhook him there. Oh, dang. He really got hooked there. Oh, that's a perfect hook. Oh, yeah, okay. Now we're just gonna pick him up. Oh, whoa, everybody, that's a pretty nice bass. Whoa, he's going crazy, everybody. Whoa, look at this savage. Okay, that, my friend, is like 13-inch bass. Everybody, I don't know if you can see that. Here, I'll show you the size comparison between my face and this bass. Like, that's a pretty big bass, everybody. Okay, so just gonna do a friendly release to this nice bass here. Okay, so we got our bass. Got the water. We're just gonna push him in, and there he goes, everybody. And that bass, we'll probably catch him again. The usual. Okay, now where's my hot dog? We're just using a regular hot dog here. Hot dog. We're gonna hook it. I'm actually gonna put you guys down. You guys probably can't see me. You guys are probably looking at grass. I'm just hooking the hook because cameraman's not here right now. Just me. So, yeah. You know what? You guys think we're gonna catch that bass again? I don't know. There's multiple bass in here. So, you never know what we're gonna catch in this lake. This lake is like amazing, everybody. So, hello. Okay, everybody. So, all I'm gonna do is flip the camera around there. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the hook or anything. Okay, I'm just gonna toss it in there and wait for the next victim to fall upon my wrath. Ready, set, go. Okay, now we'll catch something within minutes. Oh, well, something already bit it. Oh, something bit it again. Ooh, nice. Did you guys see that? Oh, so this is a little bluegill. Well, he's not little, but sure isn't as big as that bass we just caught, am I right? Okay, so this is how big the bluegill is. It's not that big. That is a perfect hook though. Does everybody see that? Oh yeah, perfect hook. Okay, so I'm just gonna put him down here and unhook him. And I'm actually filleting all the bluegill I'm catching. And I'm gonna put them in this. I already got our 2 bluegill in there. Whoa, whoa, everybody's going crazy. Man, they're such savages. I'm just gonna put you guys down again. And, you know, I'm gonna put some hot dog on. That's a good piece of hot dog. And as you guys can see, anybody ever wants to come fishing with me, please just tell me in the comments below, and I'd be happy to. Now, if you live in like Tampa or somewhere, I live in Sarasota, but if you live in Tampa or somewhere, you guys can always stay at our house. If you want to come fishing with me, you can always stay at my house, because my house is like a mansion. That's for another video though. So yeah, guys, we're gonna hook us another bluegill. We're gonna flay them and feed them to a fish. Okay. Now, just gonna do one more throw here. Then I'll get back to you in a little once I get away from the pond. So, see ya.